This luxuriant, tangy mint and cilantro chutney is quick and multi-purpose. Like, you can accompany it with samosa, pakora or any other fried food, or use it in variety of chaat. Let's start making it. In a mixing jar, add mint leaves, half of the roughly chopped cilantro, 4 to 5 green chilies, roughly chopped ginger, roasted cumin seed powder, rock salt, black salt, 1 large lemon juice. Then add another half of the cilantro on top of it. Add a very small piece of jaggery. Add little bit of water, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Then blend it into a fine, smooth, pourable consistency chutney. Add more water if required. Once done, add chaat masala, plain yogurt and blend it for another 10 seconds. Enjoy this chutney in every meal with your loved ones. Do let me know how do you like this recipe. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.